Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a voice call on your Telegram. So let's dive in. So let's go to our Telegram. You can search for your Telegram, and Telegram is plus. If you do not know, it is called plus. Just click on your plus menu button here and go and search the person you want to make a call to, a voice call. You can just browse here, but I'm going to search for the person to make it very quick. So just search for a random person here. Okay, click on the person menu button and click on the three menu button here, then you click call. You can see if you want to go to first message, click on this. You want to add the favorite, change the wallpaper, video call, delete history, delete your chat, everything. It is very easy. Just click on call, then see is it a mobile call or Telegram call or a Telegram video call. So I'm going to click on Telegram call and I'm going to call this person right here on Telegram. So allow while using the app. You can see I'm making a call to this person now. So it is on a voice call on Telegram. It is very easy. Very easy. So now if you want it to be a video, just start video. If you want to mute it, you can mute it, and if you speaker, you can put it on speaker. So this is very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.